My name is Sam Flores. I'm from Corona, California, and I'm a retired government worker. I don't currently belong to any car clubs. However, most of my friends are car enthusiasts. We get together for car cruises. I really enjoy hanging out with the folks over at Performance Online, Cruising PCH, the Temecula Rod Run, the Murrieta Rod Run, and pretty much any car show or cruise that I can find, you'll probably find me there. The way this all began, it's actually my brothers and I and my father. It started back in the 70s with the Pomona Swap Meet. My father was a big car guy, loved the muscle cars, and we used to go to the Pomona Swap Meet together, me as a little kid, and we'd go out and scavenge for parts to fix up either the Camaros, Chevelles, or Impalas that we had at the time. So it was one of those lifelong passions where my father started, my brothers and I continued on, and it developed into me having this 1972 Nova, and as well as a whole other horde of cars that I have sitting at home. But it's almost like a cultural thing with my family, my friends, helping each other fix their cars up, putting together their cars, sharing parts, finding parts for each other. It's a lot of fun, and it's one of those things that people do to not only for the love of fixing up a car and making it look great or sound great, but it's also a way to relieve stress and just kind of immerse yourself in the passion of fixing up your car. What I'm driving today is a 1972 Nova. The story behind this car is at the time I was looking for a project build because I had just completed my other vehicle. And I found this vehicle on OfferUp for $1,500 back in early of 2018. Obviously it wasn't in the shape that it's in now. It was in very poor condition, a lot of rust, did a lot of rust repair. Some of the modifications that I made on the 72 Nova is I changed the original hood, put a cowl hood on it. It didn't have a motor or transmission when I bought the car, it was just the shell. So my buddy and I built a high performance 350 small block for it, and behind it we built a 700 R4 with the shift kit. I managed to pull a Ford 8.8 rear end out of a junkyard, out of a Ford Explorer, and I shortened it and we installed it in my garage. Everything on this car was done in my garage minus the paint. My buddy and I did the bodywork and paint at a rental booth, did the interior, and I put some American racing wheels on it. For reliability, I put a Phytech fuel injection kit on it as well. So it's been a almost 4-year project. And probably the most important thing that I put on the car is every time my dad would buy a car, a hot rod, the first thing he did was put the USA 1 license plate on it. So that was the most important thing that I did to the car prior to it being done. Once I put the license plate on, the car was done. One of the greatest things about this vehicle is the way it performs. I had the stock suspension on it before, stock shocks in the front, and I was having a lot of problems with curves and things like that, but I saw Aldan American coilovers on several YouTube posts that I've seen, and when I came across them at a autocross, I went up to their booth, I saw their product, I saw their vehicle, and I saw the vehicles out there outperforming, and I thought to myself, that's what I have to have. The most important thing about Aldan American when I saw them is right in the name, American. American made, American quality. So it was one of those things that it was a done deal at that point. Some of the other vehicles that I own are a 1964 Malibu Super Sport, which is all hot rodded out, beautiful car. I have a patina truck, a 1965 F100, and I am currently starting on a 1968 C10 short bed, which I currently have frame off. I plan on completely restoring and redoing all the suspension and doing an LS conversion. The people I like to credit for instilling this passion in me is my father and my brother, whom I both recently lost to cancer. I am continuing the tradition, the hobby of working on cars and continuing on with what they started and what they instilled in me by sharing this with not only my family but my friends.